Has this ever happened to you? You try to complete all of the challenges for the first LEGO League competition, but your robot continues to get stuck and lose traction in the uneven surfaces of the competition field. If so, we have just the tool for you and your team. This video highlights our all-terrain wheel advanced pivot and climbing edition. This kit is specially designed to help your robot climb like never before. It offers a climbing offset of up to 1 1/2 inches. These wheels utilize official LEGO pieces, making them first LEGO League compliant. One of the greatest advantages of our wheel design is pivoting suspension, allowing the robot to traverse rough terrain while reducing side-to-side rocking and tipping. Our improved traction offers efficient runs over long distances on both rough and smooth terrain. These wheels can be quickly mated to the default LEGO Education Educator robot, or you can create your own robot chassis design. In addition, you can enhance your design with your color or ultrasonic sensors, slave to the pivot motion of the wheels, reducing the risk of snags on rough terrain. Robot designers can also utilize LEGO belts as suspension tensioners to adjust pivoting performance. LEGO belts are sold separately. For more information, go to buildaduck.com and look under the product and technical wheels links. This kit is an official Grandisle Communications design and can be utilized with the NXT, EV3 MINDSTORMS, and your personal Technic designs.